Hey Team V!
Hey Team V, how's it going? Today we are making another craft in our 12 Crafts of Christmas series. So today it's actually a rather simple craft, but it's really, really cool. So here are the supplies. What are the supplies we need?
The picture, paintbrushes, scissors, paper underneath, line, a Sharpie, I don't know what that is.
This is called laminating paper.
Laminating paper. Laminating paper.
Laminating.
Some more scissors.
For the adult, yeah.
And paint.
And paint. So friends, what we are going to make today is a picture of you.
I've already cut it a bit.
That's okay, we would have started cutting. A picture of you, and the picture is going to be printed out in black and white. So I've chosen black and white with a little bit of color on his shirt, but you could just make it straight black and white. So it's important that the picture is black and white, and then the background behind you is plain, like a wall or a curtain or a brick wall outside, but nothing else in the background. What we are going to do is we are going to make it look like he is holding colored lights, like a string of lights you put on your Christmas tree. So first, I've drawn some lines here with Sharpie that I want Leo to cut on. Go ahead, buddy. Yeah, so it's easier to hold on to the bigger side of what you're cutting instead of the tiny side. It's okay. Just go straight off till the end. There you are. Nice. Okay, so Leo has cut out his picture and it looks great.
Myself. I cut out myself.
Now, we are going to use a very thin paintbrush.
Oh guys, this is what I did, look.
No. So
I have cut out myself.
With the black here, we are trying to make a thin line. This is going to be the line of the lights. So you're going to want to make a thin line. We have the thinnest paintbrush here, and you're going to make it wiggly and make sure it touches both of your hands. So you're posed in the picture to make it look like you are holding lights. So you're going to make a line that's kind of moving like that, a wiggly line. All right, Leo, here you go. Okay friends, Leo has painted his line that he is going to put the Christmas lights on. So all you need to do for the Christmas lights is you are going to get a clean brush. You are going to just dip it in the whatever color you want.
In the whatever color? What's a whatever color?
And you're going to make a dot. Just a dot. Okay, so you just touch it down. Okay, Team B, look what Leo's done. He's painted a string of lights that he's holding. Now I'm going to show you how to contact laminate it so you can put it up and you can even hang it as a Christmas ornament. Okay friends, here is Leo's picture and here is my laminating sheet. So I've cut a laminating sheet in half. It has some handy dandy lines on the back, and you can get this at Staples, a pack of 10 for $10 pretty much, and it's actually free delivery, so you don't have to pay to get it delivered to your house. It just comes and it arrives right away. So we are going to use this. You're going to peel it off. So you can see here, I'm just peeling it off. And then I'm going to lie that piece down on the table. All right, it's hard to see, but it is there. And we are going to center our picture on it now. Okay, and so now I'm going to center it on my laminating sheet. And it's just gonna stick down like a sticker. Now, to get it to laminate, I have to put another one on top. get one good shot at this.